nice.
Pinapatay nila yung left tank.
Yun, may bumomba si ano, si Alvin Mortis.
Sagot to si Morty no po.
Kailan mauubos yung mana mo, Jin?
Hindi mo ako siya boy. No, boy. Hindi sila makabong ko.
Gago, loot lag.
Hindi makabong ko.
Oh, don't go to the wall.
Nabasag yung crystal ah.
They can get you there.
Ano meron ka kasi? Ano naman yun?
Kaya magkumpulan din.
Yan Harper.
Ang sakit ng
Wala tayong bump.
Hindi sila makabong.
Ali, pushing.
Careful ah. Support dalay, GA.
Gago, kung pulan tayo dito. Para tayong ano, poche.
Spread northeast.
Ano kayo dyan? Kapag kayo dyan.
Tayong poche ah.
May natatag
Booking pa rin sila boss. Northwest ha. Northwest.
Hayaan niyo si Remy mambaliw dyan. Wasak yung tank ang puta.
Tangina kasi, madidepensa na yung basin, wipe sana tong family. Bullshit talaga tong third ka na to eh, kahit kailan eh. Tanga-tangahan eh.
Napush naman natin B-stock, di ba? Yung family lang hindi.
Anong na-push na wipe yung third ko? Na-wipe yung third ko. Na-wipe yung healers ko, boy. Tumaga sila, boy. Sa tulay pa. Ang gagaling.
PD2 are good now ah. PD2 are good.
Halo ko
3
yung
healers and
pakatala
party
kung
to.
naman. Halo ko naman. Pa-support yung alay.
Wala
Ito yung
tayong
family.
cage ha.
Yung family.
Longing out ah.
Eh, kung pulan kayo
Pwede yung
dyan.
alay. Pwede yung alay.
Family ah, southwest. Try to wall men. Chikan kayo dyan, ang lawak ko.
May A-fire yung family, ang good shit. Minark ko ah. Rolling nyo yun ah.
Digmaan na to.
Spread east.
Yung parang mas maganda yung eagle eh.
Maigil.
Pasag na
Maigil yung alay ko
ano,
din. Pasupport sa northwest.
yung southwest group, pasag na pistol.
Pa-repair men, pa-repair. Pwede nyo i-repair?
Si Levi pala yung caller. Karam nga ako ano, one.
Fishing stop.
Pa-repair.
Uy, bakit ako? Wala, puno na tayo eh.
Pero mga party din.
Pailo ko. Mababasag na to, 15%.
Dalawang kulam na nakatingin dito sa southwest ha.
Okay, dito tayo sa medyo mo, ano, paano mga yan?
Hindi pa ako makakapasok bukas ah.
Dalawa golem niyan, Remy, ingat ah.
Pag pumasok sila, hold nyo. Basag na yung southwest ah. Basag na yung southwest
Basag na yung west.
Basag na yung wall dyan oh.
Pasag yung gate.
Gusto mo na nga yung gate? Ay gago, bawal dito na atin to. Southwest ready ah, pupush to ah. Pupush to ah. Looking. Sun, west, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, west. Big clap west. Full push.
Makakalapit yan, oh.
Full push ball. Defensive. Locus. Defense squad. Defense man. Gigapat kayo kasi men. Come northeast. Come back. Come back na. Heal my front line. Come back. File yung file. Bandit. Huwag kayong maipit men. Tingnan mo saan ka pumupunta men. Wala nang
Men, git
daanan
yan,
dyan. Hindi ka nang pasok dyan. Defense. West side ready. Come back. Dalawa yung git yan. Come northeast. Pull natin northeast. Man, defensive naman kayo men. Gigapats naman men. Ba't kinakalimutan niyo yung gigapat?
Looking ah.
Punta sa akin lahat, punta sa akin lahat.
Inching up na sila.
Engage ah.
Pati yung northwest
Southwest
open
tayo,
na.
southwest tayo, southwest ready ah. Yo, careful, engage ang kanyan, men. Engage ang kanyan, nabirginan. Come back. West side ready ah.
Are ready?
West side, get ready. Yo, alay, can you focus, Tisoy? Everyone, hounds, come southeast ah. We're gonna kill family ah. Southwest, top them, west now, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, west, big lap west, full west, full push this motherfuckers, defense first, full push, wipe your mata ka, full push, run motherfuckers, run, full push them, west, yo, I need ditang Tisoy, Careful, Tisoy, come back southeast. Alay, pwede mo i-push yung Tisoy, push mo yung Tisoy. Defense, Tisoy, hold. West side ready, push the west. Man, I told you defensive, come back. Man, ba't hindi mo pinush, alay, bro? Come back northeast. Patay niyo to, inside us. Come back northeast.
Ubus na yung mo. Ubus na yung alay mo.
Ubus, come northeast.
Hindi na yung pick ka.
In front, come northeast. Tangina naman. Come northeast.
Hindi yung pick ka dito sa taas.
Come northeast.
Ilan na lang sila.
Nawet yung family dito. Ilan na lang din yung family? Lumabas ba?
Oo, lumabas.
Where's family?
Lumabas sila.
Naubos.
Bumalik yung gigapat.
Amini.
Level 5 DA family ah. Come west ready again ah.
Tingnan na, 20 sila.
Defensive. Yo, I need ditang west side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West. Big up northwest. Where's my bowlers? You can stop for what? Defense of family.
Family, inching up.
Come on, inside. Help my friend. Defensive. Come northeast. Sige fast. Iwawipe natin yung mga tanga na to, boys. Bilisan nyo. Sige fast. Gagong sakit no, GSU bump pod. Come northeast.
Nahin mo yung Jamie Lintol. Ilang nagde-defensive sa kanila.
Yung mga looter, tag nyo lang sa looter yung loot. Tag nyo sa looter yung loot muna. Tag nyo sa looter yung loot. Patay sa looter yung loot.
Gigapat.
Northeast. Doon kayo mag-tide, wag dito ay basag na yung gate dyan, men. Northeast kayo mag-tide, northeast. Ditang southwest ah. Mag-regear tong kalaban, man.
Double OC na, Egi.
Tara, palit tayo.
Double OC.
Mag-break it.
Minutes pa naman 6 minutes.
Mag-break
Kaya mo.
Break wall na.
20 Tisoy pa din ha.
Walang nagre-repair ng wall sa may west side ah.
Kaya mo na, mababasa mo. TFD, come northeast, hold lang, hold. Defense. Defense lang, huwag kayong mamatay. Hold lang yung mage, come northeast. Hold nyo northeast. Yo, I need ditang south. Bro, I need ditang sa family. Looking na yung family, man. Kailangan ng ditang sa family. Hello, sino ka sa dito? Then I need ditang northwest also. Come here. Spread here.
So, nablap na ka na. Panipano.
Mapasok mo sa west side, Mikey ha. Huwag kayong magkumpulan dyan.
Spread northeast. Doon. Dito sa tower. Ditang spread west and south. Ditang.
Ay, wait up.
The blob on southwest. Anong blob to? Right.
Binanatan sila. Come west. Tis nyo yung Tisoy. Binanatan ba yung ano? Binanatan?
Ulit to. Egi,
Naglalaban yung ano? Family. Yo, I need scout on family.
Mikey, going
Northwest.
Uli oh.
Yo, ice
Uwan,
on
ano?
daw. Ice.
Come back. Boys, I need ice.
Mounted na yung 3B boy, mounted na.
Yung TFD yun dyan, patay nyo tong
Oo,
Pinoy na
nasa
yun.
TFT, nasa TFT.
Naglalaban.
Basta mounted yung 3B kanina. Kapunta nga sa TFT club.
Naglalaban. Come back southeast. Umikot yung blob. Come back. Come back.
Ano mo, oh. Kala mo hero ka.
Hello, hindi na kailangan i-call yan. Mag-defend tayo eh.
Yung idol nandito sa baba. Come northeast, come northeast. Tayo na sa baba. Defense.
Maybe ka na-engage siya.
Come northeast. Come back, inside. Come back inside. Huwag na kayong sumilip. Back na agad, men. Back na agad.
DC convert, DC.
Hindi na yung back na yan.
Ang dami na JC.
Ang daming na
Dami na
DC.
DC.
Come on. Na-DC tinatay pa sa kanila. Hold on dito, hold on. Spread. Yo, I need ditang south.
DC converge.
I need ditang south.
East side 3.
At yun sa.
I need ditang southeast. Ang dami na DC sa atin.
South.
Inside the tower.
Kaya I need ditang
Inside na
southeast.
sila,
I need
inside na
ditang
sa-
southeast.
Inside na sila.
Kaya northeast na. Northeast, come southeast. Defense. Hold them. Southeast, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pick up southeast. Careful, demon. Come northeast. Nice damage. Come back northeast. Come northeast. Inside. Stop them. Come northeast. Patay na yung mga na-DC natin. Come northeast. Come northeast. Nakabalik yung iba. Come northeast. Ba't may isa pang blood sa northeast? Ano yun? Come northeast.
Tisoy yung family eh, parehas na ulit ah.
Gigi.
Pataas mo.
Come northeast tanks. Isa na. Ang lalim mo. Isa na. Not to die. You're too deep, man. Nabi. Come northeast. Sino yung stop ko dyan? Yung gate. Come northeast.
Mataas na yung ano, Tisoy ah. Ayan na. Ito na, nasa ano na.
Ang inang yan.
Gate na.
Hold. Defense ready. Uta west side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West. Pick up west. Defense west. Pull back west. No, come back. Come back. In my front. Come back na. Push. Wait lang.
Martin boy pa.
Wait lang. Saan na yung tayo, B? Push na. Push yung bisyak. Northwest.
3B on south. Ito, on the ping.
Paditang dyan. Push lang to. Push lang dito. West. Pull back. Pasahin niyo yung tisok. Yan yung titang son tayo, B. Push yan. If you don't push, you're gonna die. Come northwest. Ang layo ng tayo, B. Bilisan niyo. West side. On ground. West side. Dayan mo yung tayo, B. Dyan ka west. Standing west. Defense. Don't die. In the front. West. Begins. Keep push. Saan yung tayo, B?
Lighting yan.
Nag-group sa akin. Wait, Defensive. Come southeast. Come not to stabilize here. Paila ko. Southeast ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast na bigla lang.
Inside yun. Sa backline mo. Naka-transfer sa lead.
Engage. Push ng kalaban. Defense. Ayun yung engagement. Defense. Keep ball na. Spread north. Looking yung kalaban. Defensive man. We're gonna come back southeast. Swap side. Southeast pass. Hold them tanks. Come southeast. Pain ako. Front. Wala na akong healer sa party 1. I need healers party 1. Yo, alay. Pain kami. Come back. Come inside. Bro, alay. Help man. Ba't kayo nagdudut, men? Boys, patulong kami dito, man. Kamis. Oh my God.
Thrillers.
Kamis. Boys, stabilize. Man, yung tao mo nagdudut, bro. Lumalapang kami dun.
We still have 19 days.
Come northeast. I don't fucking care. Come northeast, man. Come northeast.
Set up tong
Tagi,
ano.
boy. Nagdudut kayo, boy. Nagpupush kami, boy. Pika, come northeast.
Defense on the choke. Set up on the choke.
Come northeast, come northeast, come northeast, come northeast. Hold there, hold there. I need dealers. Dali, ano na lang to, kill na lang to, dalawang beses na ako. Lipas. Kill front.
Gago, patay ako.
Nagiga na ako, patay pa din ako. I-hold nyo dyan, men. Sige
Dead
pa.
ako, dead.
Walang healer ah.
Mag-call na kayo, i-hold nyo lang yung mage. Brawler kayo, men. Mag-call kayo dyan. Saman. Man, someone speak up!
Hey!
Ay, putang inang ng last na to.
Wala na.
Anong wala na?
Right front is low on the tower.
Boy, hold nyo lang yung mage, Ben. Anong wala na? I-hold nyo yung mage, boy. Yung
Ano
mage
kayo
dyan,
sa
boy.
North
Babalik
East?
kami. Tanginang yan. Ano mang ginagawa natin? Ball lang kayo, ah.
Paparating na lang ako. Pabalik na lang.
Sige pa, Sir Marty. Dalawang agent yung kalakan. Bilisan nyo. Hold nyo. Pabalik na kami. Dalawang zone lang yan, oh. Wala pang 20 seconds yung agent dyan, boy. Kayo yung mage.
Yo, balik kayo sa
Amin ba, ah?
Come to the mage.
Just hold guys, just hold ah.
Come to the mage. Just keep healing the mage. Keep healing the mage.
Yeah, keep healing the mage ah. Just hold on northeast. Just hold on northeast.
Boy, may healer faster, ah.
Tanks, spread.
May dalawa pa kayong healer dito sa mid ha. Punta lang kayo dito.
Tanks spread. Just keep healing the mage. Hello. Keep healing the mage. Tanks spread.
Beam the mage guys.
Tanks spread.
1 minute nyo na ako.
Keep healing the mage. Tanks spread.
Beast na going northwest ah.
Yeah. Just spread.
Nag-split na sila, nag-split na.
Just spread. Okay lang yan. May ano dyan. Ay, someone is opening. Hello. Someone is opening the gate. Hello. Tanks spread. Just wait for your
Men, anong air group? Saan yung air group? Ito, men.
Drop on the mage.
Nag-north na sila, nag-northwest.
Drop on the mage. Just wait for your caller.
Nag-north yung beast ah.
Patayin natin yung beast na kawit. Andito na ako.
Nag-healing the mage ah.
Just secure the gate. We are
Wala
all
pa yung mga
coming
DPS
here.
mo ah.
Binomba yung family, ah. I need Ditang's on family. I need one scout fucking Ditang on family. Andito na ako, ah.
Fighting yung family ko, ano.
Sa south eh. Mamamatay.
Huwag niyo i-hit yung
Ano yung air gear ko?
You have not only do Yogi.
DPS. Saan yung DPS ko? Ready north, ah.
Healer on party 2.
Come northwest. Ready push Tisoy, ah. Ready push Tisoy. Come northwest. Tanks, hold them. Ay, gago, wala akong skill. Oh, wait.
When you're southeast, family ha, family southeast.
I need Ditang southeast. Northwest ready, push na. Push northwest, ready engage na yan, northwest ha. Establish yan to, kamakabit. Pull natin. Patayin yung inside us. I need Ditang on family. Come southeast. I need Ditang on family man. Come southeast. Family naman tayo. Come southwest.
Engage na yan ha, yung family.
Looking na to, ha. West side, looking. Papasukin nyo. Kambang natin.
Ulit sila yung ano.
Patay yung optang nila.
Taas mo, Isoy, sa taas mo. Isoy.
Hindi, bigit pa naman dyan eh.
Pupumbay na ng family, come on.
Careful ha, inching up Libya.
Pile nga yung mage, guys. Pile yung mage. Ditang south, ha. Looking na si Libby, ha. Mark ko, ha.
Libya long.
Southwest, looking. West side ready. Brawlers pa lang yan. West side ready. Defense. Come back. Ano yan? Picking east. Come back northeast. Ditang side dito stop, ha. Mag-spread kayo northeast. Pile yung front ko. Pile ako. Northeast, ha. Looking na to southeast, ha. South ready, ha. Looking na to. West side, boys. West side ready. Push, ha. West, 5, 4, 3, West, big lap west, full push, wipe yung mga top lane, wipe, push, gigapat, full push them, west, full push them, southwest, I need ditang northwest, defense, I died again, na ano, BJ ko na.
Go back northeast, go back to mage.
Walang heal sa
Go
akin.
back to mage. Chill in mage.
Masyadong malaki yung damage sa'yo.
Go back in mage. Stay behind
Hindi,
mage.
na-wipe yung ano,
Stay northeast. Stay northeast, guys. Stay northeast. Look at the shield. Stay muna.
Heal the mage, guys.
Heal the mage.
Looking sila,
4
looking ha.
minutes na lang, 4
Muna,
minutes.
dyan muna.
Hello, 4 minutes.
Pinay looking.
na lang.
Anong guild?
West side, Martin looking.
Okay.
Batay yung NR form, batay yung main color.
Chill lang muna, men.
4 minutes to hold. Low.
Dito kayo. Wag kayo masyadong deep sa southwest. Come back here, northeast. Bait them to the mid.
Looking TV, looking
May mga
TV
sabi-
ha.
Okay. Let them engage, and we're gonna push them.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, no defense! Hindi tank! Okay, Palonis looking, defense! Push northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, northwest, airborne yan, Now go back east, stay behind the mage, heal the mage, they looking again, defense, go back northeast, stay behind the mage, you can live this.
Family sinking.
Sige lang, get ready to defense, Baloney is looking, he's gonna kidnap. Okay, go back northeast, stay behind northeast, chill lang, heal the mage.
Idle nap, TFD coming
Yes,
TFD coming,
yes.
idle nap.
Stay behind the mage, guys. Chill.
Meron palang sila
I-bait out natin yung northwest, then we're gonna push them.
Guys, yung kila Mortin, meron silang demon ha.
Sige.
2 minutes to hold. 2 minutes to hold.
Stay looking. Northwest looking. No, they got hold.
Dito na ako, men, dito na ako.
Hold. Sige lang.
Dito na ako sa ping, hold mo lang, wait lang.
Stay behind the
Tama
mage. Stay behind the mage lang. Chill lang, guys. Chill.
Lumalabas yung...
Baloney is looking.
Looking yung
Okay.
Hyops.
Get nga si Baloney. Airborne yan, no?
Flying Dutchman going inside
Ito,
south.
ayan o.
Reconnecting ako, gago.
Ayan o, sa loob.
Reconnecting, boy.
Hold lang ngayon, dito na ako nag-mount up yung kin, nakita nila yung Dutchman.
3B, nag-mount up 3B.
Yo, abulin nyo yung tisay, don't let them mount, don't let the fuckers mount up, Come on, huwag nyo pa-mount up, Come on, patayin nyo tong mga to. Patay nyo.
Running na sila.
DC Converge. Pako-protect kami man.
Nasa mage naman tayo, man. Nasa mage naman.
Boys, punta sa akin. Party 1. Kanyo come here, Party 1. DPS pa kayo. DC kayo?
Kami na DC, Egi,
DC Converge, DC man.
Abiji, wag yan. Ratter yan, Abiji.
Asan yung kin? Don't kill South PH. Mount up. Asan yung kin?
Nagrarat
Saan yung
sa
kill?
page sa akin.
Dismounted.
Asan yung kin?
May mga kin na nandito sa...
Yan yata ang southeast block.
Nag-zone na yung kin dito. Ay, pinahinayos din.
Dutchman na to, Dutchman to.
3B tsaka kin nandito sa Ay, kin pala.
Idol yan.
Ito yan, kin.
Come northeast.
Andito na yung blob sa Steppy.
Come back to me, man. May nabol ba kayo? Come back to
May
me.
pinapatay na healer.
Wala
Palut nga ako nito, OP.
Aye.
Libby, yung family nandito na. Yung 3B nandito.
Sayang yung momentum talaga.
Amit mo rin.
Nag-pack up tayo lang beses. Namatay pa ako, putang ina naman. Wipe na yung kin eh.
Sabay tayo.
Ako yung in-engage.
Gago magkadikit
Mas
tayo.
talaga, mas prepared ko pa rin yung Martlock Hit Boss 6, mas nakaka-save. Kasi
Uy.
even naka-gigabytes ka, kaya ka nilang ipatayin.
Ang lambot mo pag nakama.
Ang dami.
Ganun din kahit nag-mark lock ka, pipit.
Mas kaya kang